Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly while others struggle every day? What if the secret to mastering success is hidden in a simple morning routine that sets the tone for everything? Today, you're about to discover the morning habit that transformed Elon Musk's life, a practice so powerful it can reshape your mindset, your energy, and ultimately, your destiny. Every morning holds the incredible power to influence your entire day, week, and life. It's a fresh start, a clean slate, and a chance to take control. Elon Musk, one of the most visionary entrepreneurs of our time, understands this better than anyone. His mornings aren't just about waking up early, they're about waking up with purpose. Success, after all, isn't just a result of hard work, but a product of intentional habits, especially those practiced first thing in the day. The first thing Elon Musk does is eliminate decision fatigue. By having a clear morning structure, he frees his mind from the clutter of trivial decisions. Imagine the mental energy you waste every morning deciding what to wear, what to eat, or where to start. Musk simplifies this by focusing on essential tasks that align with his goals. This single approach helps him preserve his willpower and focus for the critical work that matters most. Studies show that morning routines create momentum. Once you accomplish a positive action early, your brain feels rewarded and motivated to keep pushing forward. Elon starts with meditation and deep focus. Even if you only spare 5 minutes, centering your mind calms stress, sharpens clarity, and fuels creativity. This mental reset allows you to approach challenges with a calm, solution-oriented mindset, just like Musk. Next, physical movement is non-negotiable. Whether it's a quick workout, stretching, or even a walk, moving your body releases endorphins and energizes you. Elon Musk knows that physical energy and mental energy are deeply connected. When your body feels alive, your brain works better. This connection is why successful people prioritize fitness as a foundational morning ritual. But it doesn't stop there. Musk dedicates time to learning every morning. Whether it's reading the latest technology news, diving into a book, or reviewing complex engineering notes, he feeds his brain with new ideas. This habit of continuous learning keeps him ahead in innovation. If you want to master success, you must commit to daily growth. The morning is the best time to absorb fresh knowledge when your mind is clear and receptive. Finally, setting clear, measurable goals each morning aligns your entire day toward success. Elon writes down his top priorities, breaking massive projects into actionable steps. This focus prevents overwhelm and propels him forward with purpose. Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what you must accomplish to move closer to your dreams. In essence, Elon Musk's morning ritual is a blend of mental clarity, physical vitality, continuous learning, and sharp focus. This powerful combination creates unstoppable momentum. And it all begins when you open your eyes. So, ask yourself, what are you doing every morning to master your success? Have you ever noticed how your mood and productivity fluctuate dramatically depending on how your morning unfolds? What if mastering your success came down to controlling that very first hour after waking? Elon Musk's success reveals a profound truth. How you start your morning predicts how you'll finish your day. Most people rush through mornings in autopilot, hitting snooze, scrolling on their phones, or jumping straight into emails. This reactive behavior kills creativity and drains motivation. Elon Musk, however, starts his morning with intentional silence. He avoids distractions to focus solely on what matters. This intentional pause is a game changer, setting a powerful tone. One of Musk's key secrets is the practice of priming his brain for creativity and problem solving. Before diving into emails or meetings, he dedicates time to visualize solutions to his toughest challenges. This visualization isn't just wishful thinking, it's a deliberate cognitive rehearsal. Imagine mentally walking through your day's hurdles and seeing yourself succeed at each one. This technique builds confidence and sharpens your problem-solving skills. Another cornerstone of Musk's mornings is writing. He often journals key thoughts, breakthroughs, and insights first thing. Writing helps clarify ideas, externalize complex thoughts, and organize priorities. You can harness this by jotting down your goals, fears, or ideas as soon as you wake. This practice builds self-awareness and keeps your mind focused on what truly matters. Nutrition is also a vital part of his morning. Though often busy, Musk never compromises fueling his body with the right nutrients to sustain high energy levels. Skipping breakfast or grabbing junk food leads to energy crashes and foggy thinking. Success demands fuel, and your morning meal should be a source of clean energy that propels you forward, not weighs you down. Beyond physical food, the mental food Musk consumes is equally important. He surrounds himself with positive, growth-focused content in the morning's podcasts, interviews, or inspiring stories. This flood of positivity programs the brain to embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities, not obstacles. Time blocking is another strategy Elon Musk employs in the morning to maximize efficiency. He divides his day into focus slots for each critical task, minimizing distractions. Planning your day like this in the morning creates structure, preventing you from drifting aimlessly or succumbing to time-wasting activities. In truth, success isn't about doing more, but about doing what matters more. Elon Musk's mornings teach us to pause, prime the mind, nourish the body, and plan with precision. Every day is an opportunity to reboot your mindset and reclaim your power over the hours that follow. How will you choose to master your mornings? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless demands of your day before it even begins? The truth is, success doesn't come from managing time alone, but mastering your energy and focus. Elon Musk's morning ritual reveals how to harness your internal resources to fuel extraordinary productivity. Musk starts by minimizing distractions right at the beginning. He avoids his phone for at least 30 minutes after waking. This prevents reactive scrolling or getting pulled into unnecessary drama. Imagine how different your day would be if your first action wasn't surrendering to endless notifications but a calm, purposeful habit instead. A powerful habit Elon practices is intentional breathing and mindfulness. Even in the busiest of schedules, taking a few deep breaths rewires the brain, reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and increasing dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This natural chemical balance sharpens attention, enhances mood, and prepares you for complex thinking. Visualization takes on a deeper level in Musk's morning routine. He doesn't just imagine success, he visualizes overcoming failure. This mental rehearsal builds resilience. By picturing setbacks and how he'll respond, Musk conditions himself to bounce back quickly when life throws curveballs. You can do this by spending minutes daily envisioning worst-case scenarios paired with your winning responses. Next, Elon commits to learning not just new facts, but improving emotional intelligence and communication. This is critical because success is rarely solo, it requires collaboration. Musk reads widely about psychology, leadership, and negotiation, sharpening his ability to influence and inspire. Your morning learning should include emotional growth as much as intellectual development. Physical movement also includes breathwork and posture exercises for Musk. This attention to body language boosts confidence and presence, important for negotiations and public appearances. Try starting your day with simple stretches and standing tall to send powerful signals to your brain. The cornerstone of this morning mastery is a clear commitment to one thing: relentless progress. Musk breaks big projects into micro-tasks to prevent overwhelm. Each morning he commits to moving the needle, no matter how small. This approach builds unstoppable momentum, transforming ordinary days into extraordinary achievements. Finally, Musk's mornings are about gratitude, appreciating the opportunity to build, innovate, and improve. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, making every challenge an opportunity. This mental shift fuels creativity and perseverance. Mastering success means mastering yourself first. Your mornings hold the keys to unlock your highest potential. What new morning habit will you start today to master your energy and focus? Have you ever noticed how successful people seem to attract opportunity as if by magic? The secret isn't luck, it's deliberate morning habits that build powerful momentum. Elon Musk's mornings are designed not just for action, but for alignment with his deepest purpose. Musk starts by reviewing his why. Before the chaos begins, he reminds himself of the mission behind his work, whether it's advancing sustainable energy, colonizing Mars, or transforming transportation. This sense of purpose fuels motivation and resilience, especially when obstacles arise. Morning purpose setting is a practice you can adopt immediately. Writing or speaking your core intentions aloud aligns your subconscious with your conscious goals. When your mind and heart are synchronized, your energy attracts the right people and resources to help you succeed. Elon also prioritizes strategic thinking in the morning. He reflects on long-term goals while balancing urgent demands. This dual focus ensures he doesn't lose sight of his vision amid daily tasks. Practice this by spending quiet moments contemplating your 5-year plan while reviewing today's priorities. Another powerful morning habit is eliminating energy vampires. Musk limits interactions or media consumption that drain positivity or focus. Instead, he seeks inspiration from mentors, innovators, or nature. Consider who or what steals your energy in the morning and create boundaries to protect your focus. Musk also invests time in creative brainstorming. He schedules time to let ideas flow freely, without judgment. This creative incubation is the birthplace of innovation. You can cultivate this by journaling ideas, doodling, or simply daydreaming with intention. The morning is also a time for affirmations, positive, present tense statements that program your subconscious mind. Musk might silently affirm his capacity to lead, innovate, and solve complex problems. These affirmations build confidence and reduce self-doubt. Lastly, Elon Musk understands the importance of balance. Despite his intense schedule, he ensures his mornings include moments of joy, a favorite song, a comforting beverage, or a moment with loved ones. Success isn't just about work, it's about creating a life worth living. Mornings are your daily chance to align with your highest purpose, protect your energy, and invite creativity. What will you do tomorrow morning to magnetize success into your life? Have you ever wished you could harness the unstoppable drive of someone like Elon Musk? Truth is, his success is built on repeatable morning habits that cultivate discipline, clarity, and relentless action. Master these, and success is not just possible, it's inevitable. Musk's final morning secret is laser focus on execution. After mental preparation, he shifts into doing. He tackles the hardest tasks first, a practice known as eating the frog. This builds confidence and reduces procrastination. Starting your day with your toughest challenge sets a triumphant tone. Time blocking becomes critical here. Musk schedules focused sprints, batching similar tasks to minimize switching costs. This structured efficiency turbocharges productivity. Adopt this by grouping your calls, emails, or creative work into chunks. Equally important is the practice of reflection. Musk reviews what worked and what didn't from previous days, using failures as fuel for improvement. This growth mindset transforms setbacks into stepping stones. You can journal or mentally review your day each morning to develop this habit. Another crucial element is discipline with rest. Musk values sleep and recovery, knowing that a fatigued mind is a fragile mind. Incorporate restful practices like avoiding screens before bed or practicing evening meditation to ensure your mornings are energized and sharp. Lastly, Elon Musk embraces the power of community. Even in the morning, he connects with trusted advisors or peers to align goals and share insights. Success multiplies when shared. Surround yourself with people who challenge, inspire, and support your ambitions. Remember, success is not a sudden event, but the result of daily choices, repeated consistently. Your morning routine is the foundation. By mastering your mornings with clarity, discipline, focus, and community, you are crafting a life of unstoppable momentum. What morning ritual will you commit to starting tomorrow to master your own success? The answer could change everything. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your one comment can motivate us to create even better content. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop growing. See you in the next video.